Look and see, you know. You see it? Look at me, it pants me way. Polo, Ralph Lauren. They pay 3,000 US for that pants. Look. Wanna look good, you know. You see it? See it? See the pants? You see the tag them? You see it? You see it? Alright, look. It's run their back, and their back part. Look on it. Look on it good. Show Ralph Lauren. Tell Ralph Lauren that 3,000 US me pay for that Dakar. 3,000 US. So when me come on the road, I'm going to put on my Gucci watch. I'm going to pull up pants. See? I'm going to pull up shoes. And everything on my Rolex, me value $1.5 million. When I step on the road, one just.
You hear that?
In a real life. I want to show you inside.
Look on them tag the good no people. Look on those tags good. 1.5 million.
Pull up pants. When me come on the road, I wear pants. And put on clothes that come on the road. That step in. Me not step in a car. Look.
Yes, I.
Show a polo. Alright.
Then you mean to tell me, say, you couldn't turn on the light that me could have see what you talk about properly? Eh? You hear the man say 1.5 million, one just. Yo, I tell you people. Jano, I tell you. Jano. Make sure to look on those tags properly. Alright, viewers and subscribers, look on them properly. Tell me what you think about that video. Alright, big up and respect Dancehall Skilla Day here again, you see it? Yeah, today is Sunday. I just keep it a certain ways for the Sunday. You see me I say, yeah, because today is Sunday. We don't really want to talk about any violence or certain things today. So today, I have another video I'm going to present to you. I just presented one video to you. So the next video I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show two big unit motor vehicles driving on the road somewhere within the country of Jamaica. Yeah, this video is going to show two trucks driving on the road somewhere within the country of Jamaica. So I say, and I real my people, I think that these truck drivers are skilled to drive on the road like that, my people. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to present the video to you. When you tell me what you think about this video, you can tell me where you think this video will be recorded. You see me I say, yeah. And a real video make me feel kind of dizzy somewhere. Anyways, here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe with me. Truck driver is skilled. Just look on the road look little thin. You know what I mean? And then the zig and the zag and the turn and the turn. Yeah man, the video make me feel somewhat dizzy. You know? Just the turn and the turn them. And the person who made that video, who a video record, it's not easy at all. This man look like he up on top of the truck. You're not afraid to knock him off. Hear that? Pressure.
Oh shit. This is how we do it in Jamaica.
Yeah, big up St. Thomas truckers. See me? Yeah, big them up. Big up all truck drivers in the country of Jamaica. Yeah man, I'm a skill to drive certain trucks, certain big unit vehicles on certain roads in the country of Jamaica. Some certain. Yeah. People tell me if you know where this video is showing. Just look and tell me where. I'll give you the surprise. Just tell me where. know, say somebody look at me and tell me, say, Jamaica truck driver are the best truck driver in the world. Honestly, I think them say that because of how small of a road that Jamaica truck drivers drive on some of those roads. So me I say, but you know, say, we see a video of another country out here that shows a bus being driven on a road that is so small that 2 vehicles can pass so easy. Believe me, see me I say, smaller than the road I see a bus I drive on the road somewhere in the world. I can't remember. You see me? So it's like the bus I drive on the road and a vehicle come feet where the bus driver reverse like meters back in order to allow the other vehicle to pass before that bus can go into the road. Trust me. You have some skilled drivers in the world. You know, you have good drivers in Jamaica, but you have some skilled drivers. It's a Sunday by some people. Believe me. Still figure out a way. Still don't know a way out. You know which part of Jamaica they might drive. What? All overtaking a boy. All overtaking boy, people. Jamaica truck driver, there's skill. Yeah, Jamaica truck drivers, them skill. You see me I said to you? Yeah, some road, let me see some truck drivers drive some big unit vehicles and trust me. Look at flat bridge. Flat bridge is not an easy bridge to approach when you drive a big, long, big unit vehicle. You know? It's not an easy bridge to approach. You know? You have to go wide and wrap up the right way. You know? You see, if you don't wrap up the right way, the back of the big unit vehicle, you know, will go overboard, you know, and pull everything down in the river, you know, people. You see it? Me even talk about an incident, at least about maybe more than 2 incidents me talk about where something like that happened. You see it? I think yeah man, I think so, you know. I even talk about an incident where one of those big unit vehicles somewhat hitch up on the side of the bridge itself, like it almost fall in the water or the river, but it never really got there. Trust me, I respect truck drivers within the country of Jamaica, I respect them. But you have some truck drivers who will do the whole racing thing. You see me, I said that's something now I don't really condole to, I don't really like that, you understand? You see it? Because imagine you as a person that drive your motor vehicle or riding a bike, and you see 2 big unit vehicles coming right your way, one on your side, one on the other side. What you gonna do? You see what I say? Yeah, and when it comes on to trucks that carry the trailer back thing on it or so forth, and something will easily stop when time it do certain form of stopping, you can't just immediately stop it, you know. It will do a thing when they call name jackknife. I think or something like that. You see it where the back it just twists like this, so, and then it just either it flip or it pin drop off or something. Yeah man, so you know, I respect truck drivers in the country of Jamaica, but it's just that you have some truck drivers who sometimes do certain type of driving that are considered to be reckless. You see it? But nevertheless, I big them up and just ask each and every motorist out there to take on the time on the road and respect each and every one on the road. Think about your safety and others. Yeah, so me I go left it on my paper. So big up and respect to each and every one. Until the next time, hope you have a blessed Sunday. And my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla.